The action camera market is about to change forever. Here's why the GoPro MAX 2 could be a game changer. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a cliff, the ocean stretching endlessly before you. The wind howls, adrenaline surges, and with a deep breath, you leap, plunging into the unknown. Now, picture capturing this moment with perfect clarity, fluid motion, and an immersive 360-degree view that puts your audience right in the middle of the action. This is what the upcoming GoPro MAX 2, set to launch in mid-July 2025, promises to deliver. But is it really the action camera revolution we've been waiting for? Let's dive into the details. A legacy of innovation meets the future. GoPro has long been synonymous with adventure, pushing the boundaries of action videography. The original GoPro MAX made waves by combining immersive 360-degree video capture with the versatility of a traditional action camera. However, as technology advanced, its shortcomings, such as resolution limitations, battery life concerns, and low light struggles, became more apparent. With the GoPro MAX 2, the company aims to address every single one of these issues head-on, refining the experience and adding powerful new features that cater to both professional filmmakers and casual adventurers alike. The big upgrades. What's new? 1. 6K 360 degrees video, a leap forward in clarity. One of the most significant upgrades is the jump to 6K 360 degrees video recording, a notable improvement from the Max's 5.6K. This upgrade means sharper details, richer colors, and an even more immersive experience. Whether you're filming a scenic mountain ride, a deep-sea dive, or a high-speed race, the enhanced resolution ensures that every frame is crisp and captivating. For those who prefer traditional wide-angle shooting, GoPro is rumored to introduce a higher resolution single-lens mode, bringing it closer in quality to the GoPro Hero lineup. This means you no longer have to choose between immersive 360 degrees footage and top-tier traditional action shots. You get the best of both worlds in one compact device. 2. HyperSmooth 6.0. Next-level stabilization. GoPro's HyperSmooth stabilization has been an industry benchmark, and with the MAX 2, we might see its most advanced iteration yet, HyperSmooth 6.0. This new stabilization system is expected to deliver even smoother footage, making extreme action shots look effortlessly cinematic. Additionally, an improved horizon leveling feature will keep your footage steady, even when the camera tilts or rotates unpredictably. Imagine skiing down a rugged mountain trail, flipping upside down on a BM, or skydiving from 15,000 feet. Your footage will remain perfectly level and silky smooth. 3. Extended battery life. More time, more action. A major pain point of the original GoPro MAX was its battery life, especially when recording in full 360-degree mode. GoPro is rumored to have tackled this issue by introducing a higher capacity battery with significant improvements in power efficiency. Users can expect longer recording sessions, less overheating, and a more reliable performance overall. 4. Low light performance. See more, capture more. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is an enhanced sensor design for low light performance. Whether you're filming a nighttime cityscape cave exploration or an evening surf session, the GoPro MAX 2 aims to deliver clearer, more detailed footage in challenging lighting conditions. Advanced noise reduction algorithms are also expected, reducing grain and improving overall image quality in the dark. 5. AI-powered software. Editing made effortless. Editing 360 degrees footage has historically had a steep learning curve, but GoPro is set to change that. The MAX 2 is rumored to introduce a more intuitive workflow in the GoPro app, making it easier than ever to reframe, edit, and share footage instantly. Expect features like AI-powered auto-framing, which could analyze your footage and suggest the best angles automatically. Improved voice control and gesture recognition could make hands-free operation more seamless, making this camera an even more appealing choice for content creators on the move. 6. Faster connectivity. Shoot, share, repeat. In today's fast-paced digital world, speed matters. The GoPro MAX 2 is rumored to feature a faster Wi-Fi transfers, improved Bluetooth connectivity, potential 5G-enabled cloud uploads. These enhancements will make it easier for creators to upload and share content without frustrating delays. A critical feature for those who rely on real-time content distribution. 7. Built to withstand anything. Durability has always been a hallmark of GoPro cameras, and the Max 2 will likely continue this tradition. An enhanced waterproof design could allow deeper submersion without an external housing, perfect for divers, surfers, and underwater photographers. Additionally, improved lens protection and possible scratch-resistant coatings mean the Max 2 will be even more rugged, capable of handling extreme environments without compromising on performance. The competition, how does it stack up? The 360 degrees action camera market is becoming more competitive, with brands like Insta360 offering compelling alternatives. However, GoPro's robust build quality, refined software, and unmatched ecosystem support continue to give it an edge. With its higher resolution, advanced stabilization, improved battery life, and seamless integration with the GoPro ecosystem, the Max 2 could emerge as the most well-rounded 360 degrees action camera on the market. Price and value. Is it worth it? At an expected price of $599, the Max 2 falls into the mid to premium range of action cameras. While not the cheapest option, the enhanced features and refinements make it a strong value proposition for anyone serious about action videography. If GoPro includes additional accessories or bundled deals, the overall package could become even more enticing. Final verdict. Is the GoPro Max 2 the future of action cameras? With a mid-July 2025 release on the horizon, excitement is building. If the rumored upgrades hold true, the GoPro Max 2 could mark a significant leap forward in the 360 degrees action camera space. By addressing past limitations while introducing groundbreaking improvements, this camera has the potential to become the go-to choice for adventure seekers, content creators, and professional filmmakers alike. So, the big question is, will the GoPro Max 2 be your next camera? Whether you're jumping out of a plane, surfing monster waves, or simply capturing life's greatest moments, this camera might just be the ultimate tool to tell your story. Are you excited for the GoPro Max 2? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your fellow adventure enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and in-depth reviews.